Alphabet story. A happy jungle. The A is in its hill. A for ant. A ant. The ant is in its hill. The B is in its cave. B for bear. Bear. The bear is in its cave. The C is on the tree. C for cat. Cat. The cat is on the tree. The D is in its house. D for dog. Dog. The dog is in its house. The E is in the forest. E for elephant. Elephant. The elephant is in the forest. The F is in its hall. F for fox. Fox. The fox is in its hall. The G is in the shed. G for goat. Goat. The goat is in the shed. The H is in the farm. H for horse. Horse. The horse is in the farm. The I is in the lake. I for ibis. Ibis. The ibis is in the lake. There is a J. J for jackal. Jackal. There is a jackal. A K hops along the path. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. The kangaroo hops along the path. He passes a L sleeping in the grass. L for lion. Lion. He passes a lion sleeping in the grass. A M climbs a tree to find a N. M for monkey. Monkey. And N for nut. Nut. A monkey climbs a tree to find a nut. And O looks at him. O for owl. Owl. An owl looks at him. A P and a Q dance on a branch. P for parrot. Parrot. And Q for quail. Quail. A parrot and a quail dance on a branch. A little R runs into a hall. R for rabbit. Rabbit. A little rabbit runs into a hall. The S has a baby. S for squirrel. Squirrel. The squirrel has a baby. The T has a cup. T for tiger. Tiger. The tiger has a cup. The U has a chick in the hall of a tree. U for upapa. Upapa. The upapa has a chick in the hall of a tree. The V chick lives high up on the rock. V for vulture. Vulture. The vulture chick lives high up on the rock. Baby W is a pup. W for wolf. Wolf. Baby wolf is a pup. Baby X is a cup. X for fox. X fox. The baby fox is a cup. Baby Y is a calf. And baby Z is a foal. Y for yak. Yak. And Z for zebra. Zebra. Baby yak is a calf and baby zebra is a foal.